到第三題啦，咁要大家揾個 k 嘅值啦，咁使得 ddx of ln括弧 square root of x 4次加9減 x square 等於右邊嗰嚿嘢。咁我哋就可以真係 d 咗佢啦，咁我哋會有 ddx ln括弧 square root of x 4次加9減 x square 咧，咁其實就會係1 over square root of x 4次加9再減 x square， 咁然後咧仲會有係1 over 2 square root of x 4次加9，咁然後咧再乘翻個 4x 嘅3次，咁跟住咧再減翻 2x 咁樣嘅。咁所以如果你排翻靚咧，佢就會係 4x 嘅3次除翻2 square root of x 4次加9再減 2x 再 over 翻 square root of x 4次加9減 x square 嘅。咁你會見到 4同2約咗變咗做個2啦。咁同時間咧，你會望到嘅就係啦，呢個嘅分母有個 x 4次加9喺呢度，唔係幾好睇嘅。咁所以我哋可以咧上下乘翻個 square root of x 4次加9咁樣，咁就可以令到分母呢個消失咗啦。咁所以就變咗做係 2x 嘅3次再減 2x square root of x 4次加9除翻 square root of x 4次加9減 x square 再乘翻 square root of x 4次加9。咁你會望到咧，分子係有嘢抽到出嚟嘅，咁就係抽個 2x 出嚟啦。咁裡面會剩翻 x square 減 square root of x 4次加9 over 翻 square root of x 4次加9減 x square 繼續 x 4次加9 square root 咁樣。咁你會見到咧，呢兩嚿嘢係約得嘅，不過爭個負，所以呢要補翻個負俾佢。咁所以其實佢就會係負 2x 除翻 square root of x 4次加9啦。咁今日題目問個 k 要係啲咩令到佢出到呢個樣啊嘛，咁所以 k 就係2啦，sorry 負2就係咁啦。